as we end this day, and may you guide us. Up and back to the position. Let's release the negative energy. Let's
The pedagogy and assessment strategies of PLE revised K-12 curriculum. We also discussed how to apply pedagogy and assessment strategies at
Again, isang maganda at mapagpalang umaga po sa lahat. So yung mga I think kompleto na kaya kayo. Anyway, hindi po namin napakita ang tunay na writer ng mga previous na topics kasi may mga tunay. Ako nakalimutan ko din sa pagmamadali.
Moving forward for our best ETL goes to our for our once again, we request the team around the sun is come here in forward po para sa ating photo cover chain. Di ba lang?
Came at a bad time. When you just walk away. You wanna get wild? One more.
13 out of 17 we have, ma'am. To answer the pretest is Mr. Mark David.
Okay, one. One more.
1.2.3, indicator 1.2.3 under strand 1.2. Collaborate with colleagues in the country.
Paano nyo i-deal? Meron kami mabit ang ginawa namin na sila. Nung gumamit kami ng ano. Wala kasi po.
Or lessons are the students. So, dahil po dyan, so ang pangalan po ng project namin is SAGIP, Save and Assist Growth.
Nag-brainstorming kami dun sa group namin, magagaling yung mga kasamahan ko sa table. Nagkandak po kami, ano ba yung nagiging problema?
Madali na, wala nang oras. But I would like to acknowledge the writer po ng mga previous topics. But this one is ang gumata. Tapos may masaklap pa. Inamin ng magulang ng nanay na may nagaganap na...
Ha?